In this video, I will show you how to download and install DStv app on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but whether you have the TCL Google TV or even the TCL Roku TV, this video should help you get DStv on any TCL Smart TV you have. Now basically, first thing you want to do is to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is connected to the internet. So in my TCL Android TV over here, if you come over to the settings, you can literally see that the TV is actually connected to my mobile phone hotspot. And then the next thing you want to do is to come over to this list of apps over here on your TCL Smart TV. So just scroll horizontally until you get to the Google Play Store. If you do not find the Google Play Store over here on your TCL Android TV, just like this one over here, what you can do is to come over to add to favorites, and you should see all the list of apps that are in your TCL Smart TV. So you can go ahead and find the Google Play Store, then add it to your favorites so that you can be able to open it up directly from here. Now, once you get the Google Play Store, you want to go ahead and open it up just like this. And once the Google Play Store opens, you just want to scroll over to the top and then come over to this search bar over here. And then on the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for DStv. So go ahead and type DStv using this keyboard over here. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the DStv Stream app over here. So you want to go ahead and click on it just like so. And then go ahead and click on the install button to now download and install the DStv app into your TCL Smart TV. And once the download is completed, you want to go ahead and open up the DStv app directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And now you have DStv app running smoothly on your TCL Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and log in. I have also made a proper video on how to sign up and create an account and then start enjoying DStv on any type of smart TV you have. So you can go ahead and check that video. I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video. Now, once you finish downloading it, you can also come over to add to favorites and then just go ahead and add the DStv app you just downloaded and installed into the favorites of your TCL Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.